Hi guys, this is Neha. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Office 2024 on your PC using Microsoft's official tools. We will not be using any third-party installers, modified files, or complicated methods. Everything will be done step by step, and by the end of this tutorial, Microsoft Office will be successfully installed on your computer. First of all, open the Windows Start menu and click on Settings. Once it opens, click on Apps and then select Installed Apps. Now, if you see any version of Microsoft Office or any trial version that was previously installed on your computer, make sure to uninstall it first. This will help prevent any conflicts or issues during the installation process. If you do not see any Microsoft Office version installed, that is completely fine. Just close Settings and continue to the next step. Next, open your web browser. Once it opens, go to the search bar and type Office Customization Tool. Then press Enter. At the top of the search results, you will see the Microsoft Office Customization tool. Open it. Once the page loads, you will see the Product and Release section. First, select the architecture you want to use, either 32-bit or 64-bit. Most modern computers use 64-bit Windows, so I will select 64-bit. Now scroll down a little. Under the Product section, click on Select Office Suite Product. Here you will find different versions of Microsoft Office that you can install. Since we want the latest version, I will select Office 2024 Professional Plus. After selecting it, scroll down a little more and leave the remaining settings exactly as they are. Next, go to the Apps section and choose the applications you want to install. For example, I do not need Access, so I will disable it. I will also disable OneDrive. You can disable any applications that you do not want on your PC. In my case, I will only keep Word, Excel and PowerPoint enabled. Select the apps according to your needs and then click Next. Now choose the primary language that you want for Microsoft Office. I will select English, United States. If you prefer a different language, you can select it here. You can also add an additional language if needed, such as Hindi, Chinese, Japanese, Arabic or many others. I do not need an additional language, so I will leave everything as it is. Now click Export at the top. Select Office Open XML formats and then click OK. Accept the Microsoft terms and conditions. Keep the file name as configuration and click Export. A file will now be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, open a new tab and search for Office Deployment Tool. Press Enter and open the official Microsoft result at the top of the page. Once the page loads, select your preferred language. I will choose English and then click Download. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. You should now see both downloaded files. To keep everything organized, go to your desktop, right-click on an empty area, select New and then choose Folder. Name the folder Office or anything you prefer. Now move both downloaded files into this folder. Once that is done, close the Downloads folder and open the Office folder from your desktop. Right-click on the Office Deployment Tool file and select Open. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Accept the Microsoft license terms and click Continue. Now select the folder we just created, open desktop, select the Office folder and click OK to extract the files. Once the extraction is complete, you will see a setup file and a configuration file for Office 365. Delete the Office 365 configuration file because we will not need it. You can also delete the Office Deployment Tool file. At this point, we only need the configuration file that we downloaded earlier and the setup file. Now we need to connect our configuration file with the setup file so that Microsoft Office can be installed using the settings we selected. Open the Windows search bar and type CMD. At the top of the results, click Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Once Command Prompt opens, we need to switch to the Office folder directory. Go back to the Office folder, click on the address bar at the top and copy the full folder path. Now return to Command Prompt. Type CD followed by a space and paste the folder path you just copied. Press Enter. This will set Command Prompt to the Office folder. Next, you have to type a command. Type here setup.exe /configure configuration.xml. This command will tell the setup file to use the configuration file that we created earlier. After typing the command, press enter. Within a few seconds, a Microsoft Office window should appear and the installation process will begin automatically. Now simply wait for the installation to finish. The time required will depend on the applications you selected and the speed of your internet connection. Once the installation is complete and you see the "You're all set" message, click close. You can now close command prompt and the Office folder. To open Microsoft Office, click the Windows Start button and look for applications such as Word, Excel or PowerPoint. If you do not see them there, simply click the Windows search bar and search for any Office application such as Word and open it, and that is it. You have successfully installed Microsoft Office on your PC. Before you start using it, keep one thing in mind. This tutorial only covers the official installation process. Depending on the Office edition and your licensing status, some features may require activation. If activation is required or your trial period expires, you will need a genuine Microsoft license to continue using all features without limitations. So that is how you can download and install Microsoft Office 2024 on your PC using Microsoft's official tools. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows, software and PC tutorials. If you run into any issues during the installation process, feel free to leave a comment below and I will do my best to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.